Hey, this is Jim with Diesel Geek, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a stock 5-speed shifter from an O2J transmission. This is a Mark IV transmission from 2000 to 2006. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to remove the side-to-side bracket. That's this bracket right here. And we're going to take the shiny metal clip loose, and it's right here on this axle shaft. You slide the shiny metal clip out of the way, set it aside. Open the cable end by pushing the knurled ring that way and then turning it clockwise, and then basically take the bracket out like this, and then set that aside. And the next step we're going to do is we're going to take the front to back bracket off. We're just going to loosen the 8mm nut with a 13mm socket or wrench, and just loosen that bolt. Or nut, sorry. And then open the, like before, open the cable end by pushing that way and then turning it this way. And then you can take the cable out and move it back to neutral, which is like right here. And then you can just go up like that, and then that's it. That's all it takes to take the shifter out.